Alright, first things first. We need a rack of pork ribs, baby back, or St. Louis style, your choice. Think of it as your canvas, and we're about to paint a masterpiece of flavor. Next up, the magic potion, our dry rub. In a bowl, we're gonna combine brown sugar for sweetness, paprika for a smoky kick, garlic and onion powder for a pungent punch, chili powder for a little heat, and a sprinkle of black pepper and salt. Don't forget the cayenne pepper, but hey, go easy on the trigger finger there. Unless you like your ribs with a fiery attitude, we don't want them breathing fire like a dragon. Now, here's a little tip for extra tender ribs, the membrane. It's that silvery lining on the back of the ribs. You can remove it or leave it, but trust me, taking it off is easier than trying to explain quantum physics to your pet goldfish. There's a handy dandy technique online, or you can just Google how to remove membrane from ribs. Kelvin ain't your mama, but he sure can cook like one. Alright, with the membrane gone, or not, we're not judging. Rub that spice mixture all over those ribs like you're giving them a massage fit for a king. Get it in between the cracks, on the sides, everywhere. Now picture this. Our slow cooker is like a cozy spa for these ribs. We're gonna stand them up on the edges, meatier side facing out so they can soak up all that deliciousness. Next, we need some liquid love. In a cup, mix apple cider vinegar for a bit of tang and Worcestershire sauce for that umami bomb. Pour it over the ribs and let it be known, this ain't grandma's bland pot roast we're making here. This is a flavor party. Now comes the easy part. Shut the lid, set your slow cooker to low for 6-8 hours and walk away. Go mow the lawn, binge that new show you've been eyeing, or maybe even clean the house. Although with ribs this good coming, who needs a clean house anyway? After that slow and low slumber, the real magic happens. Carefully take those ribs out and place them on a foil-lined baking sheet. Crank up the oven broiler to high because we're about to give these ribs a bronze tan they'll be proud of. Here's where you get creative. Grab your favorite BBQ sauce, the kind that makes you want to shout hallelujah. Brush it all over those ribs, coating them in sticky, sweet goodness. Then pop that tray under the broiler for 5-7 minutes, just until the sauce gets bubbly and caramelized. That's the sweet, smoky kiss these ribs deserve. Finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. Take those ribs out, let them rest for a minute, trust me, they'll be thanking you. Then slice between the bones and dig in. Remember, napkins are essential. These ribs are messy in the best way possible. For the full recipe with measurements and more juicy details, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. And hey, while you're there, subscribe for more recipes that will have you saying, Kelvin, you the bomb. See you next time, Grill Masters.